Welcome back to CMS Academy from where we left. The last discussion was plugins overview, and now we are going to discuss how to find and add a plugin on your WordPress website. So you click where you'll be having now your dashboard, your website admin panel. Then you move where you'll be having the plugins on your left. You can click where you have the installed plugins, and you can see them. There are some plugins which come default when you are installing a WordPress theme or WordPress from auto installers, as you have seen in our past tutorials where we are installing a WordPress from Softgrass in the SiteGround cPanel account, and we had some core plugins that were installed where we have the Akismet, we have the Hello Dory Jetpack by WordPress.com, you have the Remit login attempt and SG Cache Press. The Remit login attempt is the one that will going to block all those IP address that will be trying to access your site irregularly, or maybe those people will be trying to guess your password, your admin password, so that they'll be blocked from accessing your site. So when you are here, the first thing for you to find and add a plugin is first you listen to your clients what he need maybe to be incorporated in his or her website. And when you have listened to your clients, it's the time now you are going to look and fight for the best plugin by still on your admin panel. You have a place where you have add new, so you click add new. When you click add new, since you are still connected in the internet, you don't need to move outside your internet. You first have the featured plugin, you have the theme check, you have the WordPress super cache, you have the BuddyPress, the one that will be used for the social networking. You also have the Jetpack by WordPress.com, that one it is already installed, as you can see. You also have the BBC Press, which will be used for the discussion. And again, on your dashboard, you can see you also have the popular tags. So if you are looking for any plugin, so you need to identify whether it is going to be used for the admin, so that you can create the admin and you find those softwares or those plugins that they hired the admin tags. If it is an Ajax for maybe having a sleek website, you click where you have the Ajax. If you want a social site, you click BuddyPress. If it's about category of the content, the e-commerce, the email, the gallery, the images formatting. Also, if you want to use jQuery again for the sake of your content and database arrangement, you click where it is. If you want about the Twitter, it's about the video, it's about the widgets you want, about the WooCommerce, which is the one that will be used for e-commerce websites. If it's about the YouTube, again you click where you have the tag. So if you want to, maybe you want to have a slider, so you come. If you have already downloaded it in WordPress org, so you come here and you choose the file. Maybe you choose it in your computer where you download and you had put it. If you have not downloaded it, you are still in the internet, you can come here where you have search. Maybe let's search for a contact form. See a contact form. Yes, right, contact form, and search, and we see. So when you have searched, so you are given the possibilities on starting with the topmost or the best one or the most rated in the WordPress, and the one that have the most download, and the last one which has been updated. So those are the functionality and the reason that they are used to make sure the last updated plugin will always come at the first. The one again which have the most download will always appear in the first list of your check. So if you want to install, maybe let's install this is the contact form, so you just click the button install. Then the button will ask you, the WordPress the homeworkmasters.com says, are you sure you want to install this plugin? Then you click yes. Let's install. Then after you have installed, you activate your plugin. We have already activated our plugin, so you can check where it is here. So you can click settings, so that now you can customize it. This one, now when you are customizing the plugin will still vary. So this is where you'll be asked to write the user email, the person who have sent. Use this email address. This is the email address that you'll be receiving the messages. And at this point now you can add all the department that people can choose. When they want to contact you. So you can leave it at this point. So you even have the extra section. Let's see what is incorporated. This one need a plum, as we don't need this one. So you can see just the meaning this one, because when you have the plugin, if you want to incorporate in the website, you are going to use this shortcode to incorporate in the website. Let's just leave it at that point. Let's look for some other plugins. You can deactivate this jetpack. So just bring that back. The speed is down. I don't know why. It has responded. You can even deactivate this one. And even not delete, you can delete all of them. If you don't need any plugin, you can delete it from your WordPress site. If you don't need any, just click delete and then apply, then yes, they have all been deleted. You click add new. So maybe you want to add a slider or an email newsletter. You just click there, email newsletter, subscriber, email subscriber. You just click, then you can choose. You can install. So what I mean with this, how to find, you have first to identify whatever your client need, so that you'll be in a position now to gauge what will be needed and what you are going to input in the website, because these plugins are so many, they can be so confusing if you don't know whatever you are looking for. So it's better for you to sit down, analyze, so such that when you are searching here, if you are searching for maybe PayPal, want a PayPal plugin, you just click, write PayPal. No, sorry, you can't want PayPal, just write PayPal. So you have PayPal for WooCommerce, contact form with PayPal. You have a nice PayPal button light. You have the easy PayPal. So maybe you don't have the WooCommerce, you can, maybe you don't even have this one, but if you want that button, you can maybe install the one that our current need, or the one that will be in a position be incorporated with our current website, and you just click activate. So with it, you have been a position activated your paper. You can go where it is. You can go to setting. You see nice paper light. Let's click it. Then at this point, you just click. You just update this information, the information that is required, and then after updating, so that then now you can make that your pattern to be live in the site, and it will be used with the application that will be needed. So it's about you to choose the right plugins, because some are obsolete, some can disable your functionality of your website. It is not a must you put so many plugins, like 100 of them in one site. No, you can just put 10, and they serve the purpose of all the others. You can put 100, they fail to solve the purpose of your site, and they can even make your site to be slow, and even crash your site, where now you can again be in a position to start from square zero, which is again a bad option. When you are building a website. So it's upon you to choose the best plugin. It's only search. When you have the new one, it's only search. After you have reasoned your client, you only come here and search for the right plugin for your site. You don't need to go and just install any plugin anyhow. No, you have to even to look at the reviews, the ratings, the number of download, if again it is compatible. Let's come here, WordPress.org. You have again to look whether it is if you click that one, the theme checker, you can see the number of ratings, and again you look, is it compatible with the version of WordPress you are using? There's again be a challenge for you. So you have to look that plugin that is compatible with your WordPress, because when you put a plugin which is not compatible with your version of your WordPress, that one again will bring problem to your site, and your site can even crash. Again, when trying to search for that plugin, you can see the version of the plugin. You can see some simple illustration of the plugin. You can also read the frequently asked question about the plugin. You can even look for the screenshot, how it is installed, and how those people who use that plugin they are referring, or even look for demo websites which are using the kind of the plugin that you need, so that you'll be in a position to look from them and maybe copy something from that website and know how it is going to be used. So that's all about the plugin, because the plugins is the backbone, and that is only where you can be in a position to extend your functionality or your WordPress or website, because it contains anything and any functionality that you need to extend. And if you can't find that plugin, feel free to contact me. I'll give you the direct link of that plugin that you need, or maybe advice, or maybe somewhere to download it. And if I have it, I've already downloaded, or maybe I bought it, I'll be able to give you that link free of charge. Feel free to consult for any plugin advice you need in any project that you come up in your life. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial, where you are going to learn about the user role